there are six criteria. We actually did our due diligence before we finalized the people who are getting. So there are creative minds. Not everybody is creative. For preschool teacher, you have to be very creative. There are some people who are with go-getter attitude. Some are with accounts. They are strictly with numbers. Some of them, they are kind of very competitive. Okay, her class is looking better than mine, so I want to give. So some of them with competitive mind, all those things. And then apart from that, since we have multiple locations, so we also did the center award, like team award. So now one team which is kind of budget efficient. So one particular center, maybe the collection is more and their spending expenses come to budget efficiency award is there. The best social media connect award, the best parent and child connect award. There's a team. So because everything depends on the team. So if it's a team which is working closely, so there are different, and we really did. It was really, I would say, past 1 month, me and the core team, we really had sleepless nights because it was very tough. And the best part is in this team, when they'll come on the stage, you'll come to know many of them. They are for 10 years, 15 years, 18 years. They have been associated with us. They have continued to work with us. It's not only about teachers, even the aunties, even the bhaiyas. So they are there for years, decades. 10, 15, 12, 20 years. One bhaiya and auntie, they right from the inception. So the thing is, there is something I feel we are doing really good, which is sticking people who work with us. Once a person joins us, I should take pride in this, that once somebody joins us, I would say 90% of them, they just don't leave the organization only for hike of salary or increment in any other company. They continue to work with us year after year because we've been able to give them that connect, the security, the growth part. What happens normally, people think it's only up to senior KG where there is growth. But since we have multiple verticals, they grow. A teacher who has started as assistant teacher is now the HR manager and HR head of our organization. Teacher who started as a dance teacher has come to operations. So it's something like that. So they see the growth. There is and that is one thing, they see the growth, the respect and the connect. And what else? Yeah. Appeal is what?
And like your co-workers, all those awardees and all the females would be watching this.
So okay, as I said, 20th I started this journey when I was nobody. In fact, if they're going to put one pic of mine 20 years back, my first year of school, I'm sure you're not going to recognize me. So for all those women, like you sitting here, this just one message to all of you, or to the entire team. You all know my team knows my favorite. I'm going to repeat it again. Your dream is not just a dream; it's an opportunity to improve yourself. There is a famous dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan. इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि ज़र्रे ने तुम्हें मुझसे मिलाने की कोशिश की है. That one night which changed me as a person. That one night when I promised to myself and to my boys who were young, they were sleeping, fast asleep. I made a promise to them, looking at them, that I'm going to make lots of money and I'm going to give them everything on my own. And I feel that particular night, universe was there around, listening to my commitment to my person. And the journey from that Vanita to this Vanita, fierce entrepreneur, a leader, a mentor, a guide, who has imparted thousands of lives. Children, our children today, first batch students, I forgot to mention that, first batch students are today across the globe. They are doing, some are in defense, some are engineers, doctors, they're working in MNC companies, so they are around the globe. And the best part is they still send me message saying, Marina ma'am, thank you so much. And that is what I feel at all. And this is what all of us, my team, they have done. For the women, for the general people, the girls like Lucy, you don't have to have big beginnings, or you don't have to have lots of resources to start something. And you know, I always hear people say, once this done, I'll start doing this. Once I'm ready, I'll do. Let me tell you, you're not going to be ready any point of time. So start where you are. The way I started, where I was not at all prepared. I just started and everything falling. So